there are two positive numbers p and q such that p plus q equals to 2 and p power 4 plus q power 4 is 272. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are p and q. So let me write down whatever is given. If it is not clear, given to us p plus q equals to 2 and p power 4 plus q power 4 equals to 272. We have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are p and q. Now a quadratic equation whose roots are p and q will be x minus p into x minus q equals to 0, or can I say x square minus x into p plus q plus pq equals to 0. Now out of this we know p plus q, but we don't know what is pq. To get pq we have two equations, so we have to leverage these two equations and find out what is the value of pq. So let us start with p plus q first. We know that p plus q equals to 2. If you observe here, the power is 1. Here the power is 4. In between will be power 2. So we start with p plus q. Then we go to p square plus q square. From there we will go to p power 4 plus q power 4. Leveraging these two equations, we want to find out what is the value of pq and come back and substitute it. So let's start now. I will write down p plus q equals to 2. Now let us square it on both sides. We will have p plus q whole square equals to 4, or can I say p square plus q square plus 2pq equals to 4, or can I write down p square plus q square equals to 4 minus 2pq. This is our equation number 1. Now once we got p square plus q square, now let's go ahead and try to square it on both sides. So we'll have p square plus q square whole square equals to p power 4 plus q power 4 plus 2p square q square. Now p square plus q square according to us from equation 1 is 4 minus 2pq. 4 minus 2pq whole square is equal to p power 4 plus q power 4, that is 272 plus 2p square q square. Now what we have here is a quadratic equation in pq. So that we can find out the value of pq. So let's open that. We'll have 4p square q square minus 16pq plus 16 equals to 2p square q square plus 272. Let us simplify that. We'll have 2p square q square minus 16pq minus 256 equals to 0. Dividing by 2, we'll have p square q square minus 8pq minus 128 equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation. You can solve it by quadratic formula or splitting the middle. Now p square q square minus 8pq minus 128 equals to 0 can be written as pq minus 16 into pq plus 8 equals to 0, which will give us pq equals to 16 or pq equals to minus 8. Now let's look at the options. Do we have 16 or minus 8? Minus 8 is not there. According to this formula, whatever we have, it should be x square minus x into p plus q, 2x plus pq plus 16 equals to 0. So the correct option is option C. Now we have been told that there are two positive numbers p and q such that p plus q equals to 2 and p power 4 plus q power 4 is 272. So we know p plus q, we know p power 4 plus q power 4 is 272. We have to find out the quadratic equation whose roots are p and q. The quadratic equation form will be x square minus x into p plus q plus pq. Here we know p plus q value, we don't know what is p into q. So we have to find out PQ value by leveraging the given two equations. So we started with P plus Q equals to 2. We squared it on both sides. So we got P square plus Q square in terms of P. Then we squared it again so that we can use P power 4 plus Q power 4 is 272. We got a quadratic equation in terms of PQ. We solved it by splitting the middle terms, our quadratic formula. We got that PQ equals to 16. Then we went back to the quadratic equation, which is x square minus x into P plus Q plus PQ. So it is x square minus 2x plus 16 equals to 0.